Hello friends, my name is 𝐂𝐫𝐚𝐬𝒡 and you're watching the Winning Edge Defense channel. On this channel, we bring to you valuable information regarding RMC, Sainik School and military schools. We are talking about cutoff marks of Sainik School. So, in this video, we are going to talk about cutoff marks of class 6, boys only of Sainik School Korukonda. Through our RTI application, we had asked for girls details also and class 9th marks also, but some Sainik schools have sent those details, some have not sent. Let us see how the cutoff marks of Korukonda are available. In home state in general category, you have 226, 264 and 220. So 264 is the benchmark. In OBC NCL, you have 212 marks. SC 205, 234, 192. Scheduled Tribe 205, 243 and 152. And Defense 191, 239 and 202. तो ये जो मार्क्स आप देख रहे हैं, आपका बच्चा अगर किसी भी इस कैटेगरी में आता है, फर्स्ट थिंग, इफ यू आर शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब, ओबीसी, डिफेंस, यू हैव टू लुक एट ओनली योर मार्क्स. इफ यू आर नन ऑफ दीज कैटेगरीज, तब आपने जनरल कैटेगरी के मार्क्स को देखना है. अदर स्टेट का देखा जाए, जनरल मार्क्स आर क्वाइट लेस. 157, 171, 164, they have not even crossed 175. OBC NCL just 143. SC has gone high, 211, 218. And last SC candidate got selected in 22 with just 86 marks out of 300. Scheduled Tribe, there were no vacancies. Defense 197, 132, 176. So other state situation is slightly lower. Home state competition is slightly higher. So if you are trying to apply for other state as other state candidate, I think Korukonda is one of a better option because the cutoff marks go quite low. In class 9th, the marks are out of 400. So general category, home state 308, 330, 296. So 330 is the benchmark. OBC 296. Scheduled caste 254, 262, 264. That means these marks have not gone beyond 270. Scheduled tribe also 296. Slightly higher, 266 and 238. Defense 262, 290 and 300. So defense category, home state people are looking at 300 out of 400. Other state general category 314, 352 and 248. So 352 is quite high. Whereas OBC is 166, SC is just 142, ST is just 148. Defense like general is slightly higher, 316, 288 and 332. So these will give you an idea कि हमें अपने बच्चे का जब फॉर्म भरना है, अगर हम कोरुकोंडा का अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो इतने मार्क्स 6 और 9 में हमारा बच्चा लेकर आना चाहिए. थैंक यू, बाय बाय एंड जय हिंद.